So for the problems that look like this, these are all polynomials. And remember that polynomials can look something like this. They're the ones that have like crazy twists and turns. But the point is that they have a left arrow and a right arrow. All the stuff in the middle is irrelevant for now. The only thing that matters is the left and right arrow. So let me show you how to make that decision. So for this one here, if you want to talk about the right and the left arrow, make it like a little chart. So the right arrow is controlled by the positive negative aspect of the leading coefficient. If the number in the front is positive, the right arrow goes up. If the front number had been negative, the right arrow goes down. That's the right arrow. As a matter of fact, you can do that for all of these if you want. I just want to set up a left-right chart that controls sort of these arrows, the left and right arrow. So for this one here, it's up because that's positive. The front number, the leading coefficient is negative, the right arrow is down. Leading coefficient is negative, right arrow down. Leading coefficient positive, right arrow up. Now the left arrow, is it the same or opposite the right arrow? That depends on the exponent, the degree. If the degree is odd, the arrows are backwards. If the degree is even, the arrows are identical. So here, the exponent is 7, which is odd, and so these are backwards arrows. So if this one's up, then this one's down. How about here? The right arrow is down. Let's see, the exponent is 4, which is even, so the arrows are the same. So it'd be down, down. How about here? The degree is 9, which is odd, so the arrows are backwards. So if this one's down, then this one's up. And how about here? The degree is 6, which is even, so the arrows are the same. Now, why does this help you for your limits? Because if you're talking about that just means right, and this just means left. So for part A, if you're going to the right, you look at the right arrow, which is up. So the answer would be infinity. If this means left, the left arrow points down, so that would have been negative infinity, and so on and so forth. So for polynomials, make a chart. And then this means right, this means left. And the answer for right and left is given to you by looking at the chart.